Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 8i. In this video we'll check if this phone has screen mirroring feature. In order to check it, let's swipe down notification bar, extend it, and search for screen mirroring or wireless projection. As you can see right here, we've got wireless projection. And now our phone is searching for another devices. So to sum up, this phone has wireless projection or screen mirroring feature. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.